Hey, it's Dr. Troy here, the Vancouver chiropractor. Today I want to talk about inflammation. You know, a lot of times patients come in and say, oh, my doctor said I have inflammation, so they gave me anti-inflammatories, which, you know, that's common side effect for people is inflammation. But really, what kind of inflammation? You could have shoulder inflammation. These are some of the common things we see. Neck inflammation, low back inflammation, hip inflammation, knee, ankle, even elbow, wrist. These are all things that chiropractic may be able to help. So one thing you have to understand, inflammation is a response to some sort of trauma or some sort of infection or some force that irritates a joint, soft tissue. So how do you handle that? Well, I always recommend ice. First 72 hours of an acute inflammatory episode, let's ice. There may be some contraindications to that if it's an infectious thing, but really icing helps reduce the inflammation because your body will, if you sprain your ankle, for example, your body will overreact. It'll overcompensate. It'll overinflame, overswell. So try to keep the swelling down. The thing with that is swelling is a protective mechanism, so you don't injure the joint more. So from a chiropractic standpoint, we see this a lot in car accidents. They'll sprain the neck, they'll strain the tissues, and then you get inflammation. And it usually peaks out 2 to 3 days later after initial onset. You'll be the sore second and third day. So that's a classic soft tissue inflammatory response. How do we handle that? Icing, adjusting, gentle mobilization. These are all things that can help reduce the inflammation and get you feeling better, get you out of pain, get you back to your activities of daily living. One of the other things that's really great is a product here. It's called Wuji Corella. They're little green pills, and they help reduce inflammation naturally. There's the Corella growth factor that actually helps the RNA and DNA repair faster. So when you're having an inflammatory insult, this is a great product to stick in your body to help reduce inflammation naturally and help you repair naturally. That's what it's all about here at Zenaptic Chiropractic. If you're interested in a consultation, any of the doctors here on staff would be happy to help you. 360-260-6903.